Well, the time has come to replace my Milestar Patagonia tires. A little earlier than I would have thought, but more on that in a future video. And I've decided to go with a new set of wheels at the same time. So I started researching wheels a few weeks ago, and I stumbled across this brand called ROCKTRIX out of California. I was not familiar with them at all, but after digging into it a little bit more, I decided to give them a shot. So Mr. FedEx dropped off the first one today, and I thought I'm just going to open it in front of the camera here and share my initial impressions with you guys, and then we'll talk about the specifications of this wheel and why I ultimately decided to go for it. Well, hey everybody, welcome to 4x Trail. I'm Caleb. Today we're talking wheels, specifically ROCKTRIX wheels, which at first I kind of thought the name, ROCKTRIX, that's kind of cheesy, right? But it's growing on me. So this box got dropped off today. Hopefully the other 4 are coming at some point, but I just have 1 so far. And I'm just gonna open it up here, but we gotta start with the branding of this box itself. It's kind of cool. You got these different trail names, all the iconic trails, Imogene Pass and Rubicon Trail written kind of across the top of the box. Kind of neat. Either one, it could be cool if this wheel was actually tested on these trails, or maybe it's just a marketing guy who is an enthusiast and knows all the best trails, but there's a lot of good ones here. Elephant Hill, Cliffhanger, come on, some good stuff. So that's kind of fun. But yeah, let's open it up and see what these are all about. Card here. Thanks for your order. Plastic ring. Oh yeah, those are nice. All right, there it is. I went with their 111 model, with the RT111. And it's kind of a classic teardrop, sort of like the Method Racing style. But right away, man, this finish is really, really nice. Yeah, I dig the styling. It's a fake beadlock. It's got the 1-inch kind of ring around it here, which is a nice protective ring when you're bumping up against stuff, but it is not functional. I'm not interested in beadlocks, but I really just went with, I like classic styling, the Pro Comp Series 69 wheels that I've been running with just the holes, I love that. My reason for going with new wheels is those Pro Comp Series 69s that I've got on the Jeep right now, they're not made for a 37-inch tire with my setup, without adapters. The offset and the back spacing is not quite enough. I was getting rub on my frame, and so I've been running adapters, which is not ideal. I don't like it, even though it's worked out fine. I haven't had any real issues, but yeah, these wheels, hopefully, they're a little more of an aggressive offset. Hopefully I will not have to run adapters with these, we'll see. It's a 4.5-inch of backspace and negative 12 millimeters offset. These are a 17x9, same size as the Pro Comps that I had. It's a great size. It fits just perfectly with the tire that I'm going to be running on this, which more on that in a future video as well. I'm excited to share. I have the tires on order, and I'm going with a tire that I'm pretty pumped about. So yeah, this is just a basic 17x9 size, and ROCKTRIX makes all of their wheels for a few standard sizes. The Toyota 6-lug for the 4Runner, and Tacoma, and I think the FJ. They make one specifically for the F-150 and for the Raptor, and then of course for the Wranglers and the Gladiators, the 5-on-5 bolt pattern. These are one-piece cast aluminum, CNC machined, and it's top notch. I mean, just looking even on the back side of these spokes, and just how clean and nice the finish is, and yeah, nothing that looks out of place at all. It appears to be every bit as good a quality as the Pro Comps I've been running, if not more so. Honestly, this is a bit beefier feeling wheel. It's about 32 pounds, I believe, is what was quoted. Well, there's my initial thoughts on the RT111 from RockTrix. Excited to get these on the Jeep, get the new tires on there, hit some trails, and give you guys a better feel for how these wheels perform. I also want to do a proper, kind of overview of the Milestars and why I'm switching away from them at some point. So more wheel and tire content coming up on the channel. I've also got some cool trips in the works, guys. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to want to do that. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.